something happened in the music world while I was streaming. This guy right here, I'll show you him. His name is Steve Cropper. You say, who is he? Never heard of him. Guys, you know what? Crazy story. I never heard of him either. This guy was an amazing guitar player. He's a hero to many people. And he was in the Blues Brothers movie. On the song Soul Man, they say, "Hit it, Steve." That's Steve. This guy. He was in a band where they played Green Onions. It goes like this. Another little song. Sitting in the morning sun. I don't know the words, guys. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. He wrote it. The other guy got his name on it too because he was the famous artist. But he wrote that song. I finished streaming. I realized when I went online, back to the normal world, that Steve Cropper freaking died. I mean, I could read a whole bunch about him. I want to tell you my personal story about him. Back when I couldn't spell guitar. Like I literally was like, that was me. I'm doing a gig. I'm getting paid. And there's this guy in the audience and he's looking at me. I'm playing my Rosewood Telly. That's my name on chess.com. I'm playing my Rosewood Telecaster. I was probably 22. This guy's in the crowd and he's looking at me. And I'd been playing music long enough to realize he's a guitar player. So we finish our set. I walk out to him. I'm like, "Hey man, how you doing? My name's Charlie. What's your name?" "Steve Cropper." "Nice to meet you, Charlie Sardo." "Yeah. I saw you play." I said, do you play to this freaking hero?" I said, "Do you play?" He said, "Yeah." He's all, what about the Rosewood Telecaster?" I said, "Yeah, my dad has an original one." We talked about Delaney Bramlett, who has the original Rosewood Telecaster from the Beatles' rooftop concert. He had it. That was given to him by George Harrison of the Beatles. And I said, "Yeah, I know Becca. That's Delaney's daughter. George gave it to Delaney because Delaney was that cool." Delaney Bramlett got the Rosewood Telly from George Harrison from the last Beatles concert, and he got like a guitar from Dwayne Allman or something, a Strat or something, whatever. It's a big deal, right? So we're talking about Rosewood Telecasters and stuff. We really didn't know a bunch of the same people. At that time, I don't think he knew my dad. And at that time, I didn't think to drop Albert's name. Leave Albert alone. Let Albert chill out. No, I could have. Right? At that time, I didn't know Pete yet. We talked and we had a great conversation. And then I thought he was just a normal guitar playing guy. He's just a normal guy. He's a guitar player. So I'm driving to work for 1 hour from like Sunland, California to Laverne, California. And I hear Howard Stern. You got to listen to Howard Stern. Back then in the 90s, you listen to Howard Stern. And Branford Marsalis, the band leader for The Tonight Show, was on Howard Stern. He's like, "Yeah, man, we get a great show tonight. Whatever. I'm going to make this up, but like Tom Cruise is going to be there." It's The Tonight Show. He said, "Steve Cropper's sitting in." I'm like, huh. Pull out my wallet. I pull out the card the guy gave me. It said Steve Cropper. I'm like, that's the guy I met. And then I had to ask a friend at a club, "Do you know who Steve Cropper is?" She's like, "What? I'm a soul man. Hit it, Steve." I'm like, "He's in the Blues Brothers movie." I'm like, I don't know that. Green Onions. I'm like, yeah, I know that riff. He's like, "That guy's like an insane world famous guitar player." And the best part about this story is, imagine being a world famous musician where people walk up to you and go, "Hey man, yeah, I play too." And they're all, and they try to move their face to make it look like they care. And they try and fake it or whatever. "What kind of strings do you use?" Right? He gets that all the time. I did not know who he was. So Steve Cropper, this guy who was in the Blues Brothers, in the movie, who played in Green Onions, Booker T and the MGs, wrote Sitting in the Morning Sun, sitting on the dock of the bay. No, sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. The guy who wrote that song? Steve Cropper.